So now we are entering in Yao village. The first village we entered is the Aka village, known for coffee making people. So gusto kong bumili ng products, gusto kong bumili dahil sa awa. Magkaawa sila. Parang yun na lang ang way na makatulong sa kanila.
Hindi magyapon maabot sa ila ha.
Ang entrance B, pero ang product ila ha. Manang gusto ko bumili kaya ang dato ang entrance. Manang gusto ko palit sa product. Kaya kanang product mo lang ila ha. Ang entrance po dakong entrance. Yan. Luis lagi guys, Luis. The hardworking people, Kayao village. This is Kayao village. The hardworking people guys, pero less ang ilang income. Exit long net dito na. Kaya kahit hindi ako gustong bumili, para mapabili ako dahil sa yan na lang maitulong natin. Guys, sawadee krap. Guys, balikan rin muna natin camera. Tuloy natin guys. Ganda. Magkano ba ito? Ano ka talay? Samloy? Samloy? Kaya lang eh. Without also like secondary. Samloy. Decoration. For house decoration. Yes, init. Ito na guys. Hello. Ito yung product sila. Ano, tangtang na? Hello baby. Hello baby. How many kilo? 3 kilos? Heavy. Very heavy. Beautiful. Ihatag.
Wala man tayo. Chaไม่เป็นไรเอาไหมเขาใช้ไม่เป็นหรอใช้ไม่เป็นยังมังเลยนะใช้เป็นหรอได้นะ Thank you นะคะ
Grabe. Yung bata. Hello. What's your name? Muki? Mukni. How many kilo? How heavy is it? Is heavy? Not heavy? Bata. Can you say any for what for? Any This one? For finger? Ito yung bata.
Ready for the shout.
Heavy no? Kanang isa, how many kilo?
Ay,
bugat
kayo. Murag 5 kilos ni.
5 kilos? Kato 3 kilos to iya 3 kilos. Picture ka. Can take photo with her? Okay. Ito bata, buutan na bata. Kaya nag-livelihood na, bisag bata pa. Drive para makuha na yung products, makuha na yung products. Siya patawad. Moimi, can you put on her neck? Video na kayo. Cute ang bata. Very helpful yung bata. That one? Okay, picture. Ready? 1, 2, smile. 1, 2, smile. Wow. Okay, one more. 1, 2, smile. Okay. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you. Tagay siya tip yun. Tulog na singot, Bi. Tulog na singot. Let's enter their humble school. Children learn from this room or small house, small hut. So at least ang mga bata dito nakapag-communicate ng English. Yeah. Guys, that one is 5 kilos. Yung sa kanya 5 kilos. Again, 5 kilos ใช่ไหม 5 kilos. Heavy ma. So heavy. Thank you. Okay, this one. How many kilo? 1 kilo? Not yet. Hindi pa siya, no? Katong isa, maka-English na itong bata dito. Makatubag man siya, pila kilo. Pila yung edad. Hello. What's your name? Huh? Sandai. Okay. How old are you? Ayo tolai. 8 years old. She's 8 years old. This one is her products. Her products here. Beautiful elephant. Beautiful elephant. Ito yung can opener. Bottle opener. Niko ribi, video hanta kami. Yes. And beautiful. My wife is beautiful. Okay. I don't want to buy something, but I have to because the only source of income of these people here are from their products. And how much is the income per day from their products? It's very little, right?
I think they're getting allowance.
But the entrance
From the government. Oh, yes.
the entrance is a lot.
I heard they're getting allowance to stay.
No, it's not allowance. It's like repair your house, book supply. Magkano lang naman yung supply doon? Yun lang naman, hindi naman talaga. So,
You have allowance, but you don't really have freedom to...
wala nga cellphone.
Yeah,
Paano
you don't have
mag-scan?
freedom.
They don't have technology much.
You just have to stay here.
Well, anyway, because refugee kasi sila, hindi sila Thai people. Adapted lang sila eh. Adapted lang sila. Originally, they are from Myanmar. Yeah. Originally, they are from Myanmar. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Ito yung na-observe namin dito. So, so sad. Hindi ko na lang kasi this is vlog. Baka hahabulin tayo ng But, honest observation. This is an honest observation lang. Sa bagay, the government have all the rights because adopted lang sila. They are not really original from this place. So these people here are originally from Myanmar. Ito yung pinakamataas. No. Hello. Yes, ito yung pinakasikat. Wow, laging nasa Siya yung laging nasa magazine. How many kilo tolai? Ha kilo? 28 rings. 28 rings. Okay. Ito yung lagi nakikita ko sa sa post. Okay, pila na kayo?
1, 2, 3, smile.
Ito yung dancing hall. Friends of Hell Crimes Foundation. Oh, natuo ka na, Josie. 1, 2. Smile. Okay. Parang kakanta yata sila dito. Yan. Hill Tribe. Hello. Karaoke taan. An, mag-offer tag song. Mag-offer tag song. Hello. Hello ka. Karaoke. Kanta ta? Kanta ta. Mangutana ta. Can we sing? Yes, okay daw. Okay daw. Okay. Okay. Going out na tayo guys, going out. Going out na. This is the exit. This is the exit. Yan. Ito yung mataas. Pinakamataas. Oh. Kilo talay. Kilo talay. Halo. Ah. Halo. 5 kilos lang daw. Same lang. Same. Ah.
How old are you, Naka? 65.
65.
65.
65.
Picture. Oldest na. Ano sa tayong oldest, sir?
Hindi ko na ano.
Oldest sa tribe. 1, 2, 3.
This is products of Karen people. Karen people. Pila dah.
Anong po dahil? 300 dahil. Ding ano gina nila to?
Oh, handmade gina ba? Handmade.
You make,
Ano ilang mga thread oh, ilang mga thread. Nasa taas.
Pare na mabakal ka, rin na ilan na mo.
Ilan na oh, ano? Nasa may trunk na.
Bakal mo kaya ka. Kunara ang nice wine.
Ito na ito. Kini may nice.
Hindi ka. Ano daw like? 300.
Kini okay, pwede ipsa ko sa color. Kining gray and white. Knitted gid as ba? So ito na yung exit guys. Itong exit na to. Dito tayo mag-reaction. Ito mag-reaction sa exit. Okay. Exit. Ito, exit. Yan. Nag-exit. Okay, continue guys. Going to the exit. Hello. Hello. Cute. Hello. How old are you? 3 years old. Wow.
3 years old?
Wow. Okay. Oh, this is entrance at the same time exit. So guys, this is a group tour. Group tour.
Nagdala sila ng ilan. Dapat kagabi. Nagdala ko kaon.
Di na tabi ka?
Huh?
Ayan, palit. Oh, yes.
Have you?
Oh, mga handmade yun lang products, Ribi. Pero mga na trade nila, oh, gamit. Hello. 7 months.
7 months.
Oh.
Mama, nagdito eh.
Dili eh. Lain eh. Oo. This is the village. We have to exit now. So, going this way is the exit. Hello. Mau gani, mau na akong kan. Di na ako sa island ganina. Oh, wala ka ni tingog. Hello. We are now in the exit. Hello. So exit now. Videohan ta mga lagawan bala. Mga lagawan.
May itikal na naman.
Lagaw kag may itikal ay. Malagaw para may maitikal. Pa-exit na guys. Pa-exit na tayo. And our tour for 1 hour is finished. Nice experience.
Ano to eh? Di ano to? Di ano niya huli yung person. Ako ba?
Kayo. Aka. Luminyaw. Ang luminyaw, yung product nila is bamboo mug. Ang aka, yung mga bag. Lahu. Ano mga product sa lahu?
Lahi-lahi din sila ano eh. Lahu.
Oh, Josie, any take from our tour? What's your take? Ano yan, Josie? Orayan kita.
Worth it ang 300.
Worth it ang 300 entrance.
Okay, we were able to see.
And how about your observation? What's the livelihood, the fair share?
Very far from the civilized.
Very far from the civilization.
Civilization.
Okay. My take. Okay guys, we have to give a reaction. This time being is a reaction about the short tour of these 5 tribe hilltop tribes. Okay. Number 1, nakakaawa sila guys. In the sense na nabubuhay sila sa products na binibenta nila. So it means kung ang mga turista na papasok dito hindi makakabili ng products nila, very less yung income nila. Okay, granted na may allowances sila makukuha from the government because of the entrances. Entrance is 300 baht per person. So it means to say, kagaya ko, nagbayad ako ng 300 baht sa entrance. Ang binili ko lang dun sa loob is 100. At saka hindi sana ako bibili kasi hindi ko kailangan. Pero dahil sa naawa ako kaya bumili ako. So, how many percentage or how much is the percentage they can receive from the government from the entrance? That's the question. Na makasustain sa need nila. Though bahay pa lang nila guys. Enough lang matawag natin shelter kasi hot lang talaga. Number 2, education ng mga bata. Ang mga bata doon nakita ko nakita nyo sa video yung small hut doon ang ginawang parang school nila for learning. And the question is it sufficient enough or enhancing enough for the young learners to get education or formal education? No, kasi kanina may natanong kaming 8 years old, nursery pa ang level niya guys, nursery pa. Sana nakunan ko yun sa video kung nakita nyo sa vlog. So, kung may sakaling pupunta dito, nakagaya ko turista, huwag nyo ipagdamot guys, kung anong bilhin nyo, bili lang kayo. Unfortunately lang, walang scan doon sa loob. Bihira ang may store na may scan. Mostly cash. Wala akong cash. Yun, kaya kunti lang talaga nabili ko. So yun lang ang take ko sa vlog na ito. I hope nakakabigay ng information sa mga nagbabalak na pupunta dito. So God bless everyone. Keep safe from this village. Campus Creed. Signing off.